Morning, welcome to Coffee Across. There we go. Let's see here. Okay, just doing a lot of cleanup today. Let's go back to basics. We're going to go back through the sequence and make sure that everything works. Good morning, Keeb. I'm replacing iTween with DoTween, D-O-Tween, for some animation goodness, but it's going to come with its own issues. Here, I'll show you. Let's see. I think I have Pro. I'm not sure. Anyway, DoTween's another tweening system, but it has heavy use of the built-in event system, so I should be able to get do more in the editor and a little bit less in script. So let's see how that goes. I'm not super up to speed on it, but let's get it going. However, for now, I also have to fix some of the gameplay issues because I had to go through and kill some of the iTween script functions, which actually killed some of my sequences. So I'll have to go through and find my fish. Anyway, water still works. Customers still work, but we need to fix that fish. And I think the camera's going to be broken. But let's do a couple of different things. Blah, 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 blah. How are you doing, Keeb? What's the haps? See, get my notes out. There's that. All right, now let's koi parent. Where is this quad and why do I need it? Let's leave it for now, but there's our collider. Okay, we're going to open up a new scene so that I can do some tests. Let's drag in a, let's see, sources. Hello, San. Okay, there's our fish. Let's get the camera. Assignment to the fish. Let's go to 0, 3 meters up. Drag it back out. There we go. Point down. There's our fish. Let's knock this down to oh my goodness, my machine is god awful slow today. I think I might need to restart it, but we'll see. Anyway, if I hit play, it's going to disappear. Yes? No? Yes? Yes? No? Yes. Okay. Now let's look at our fish controller. Let's turn this off for let's turn the this is what's controlling whether or not you can see the Speed fit. Oh, come on. Fish or not. We're going to unhook that. We're going to play around with paths a little bit. Trigger event when my collider gets hit by triggered by something. Delay. Turn the mesh back on, etc. That's we can ignore that for now. Let's get jittery. It's jittery. It's on. Let's ditch these path points. We don't need these. Continue. Go up to this. Let's actually apply that. Let's go to the model. Yep, that's fine. Let's go to. Oh, interesting. Koi parent is actually what I need to be working with now. Okay, let's kill this one. All right, this swim path, let's delete it. Let's put a, yes, continue, Koi parent, apply that. Let's go back up to this one. If I wanted to, I could just work with the sub prefab, but actually I may not need to have a Koi parent anymore, but let's put this on and see. So I put a DoTween path manager in here. I've set some paths. Let's see, let's find our fish. Okay, let's find our main camera. Put him over here so we can see what's going on. I just need to see where he's going and ensure that he is moving. So, don't care about that. That's good, that's good, that's good. I have some paths. Let's see if that works. Apply this. Apply that. That's fine. Are you kidding me? Hold on, let's not maximize on play. I think I need a new computer key. I think that's what it's come down to. I think I've run out of... I think I've hit my limit, man. The editor got more complex. Let's see, okay. So it will autoplay. Duration, 1 second should actually be something more like, let's call it 20 seconds. No delay, linear. Loops 0 I'm hoping is, or maybe I need to put -1. Loop type, restart, yeah, there we go. Loops -1 should go forever, update normal, path type, Catmull ROM, because I want it to be, have this nice look to it. Close the path. Local movement, I think, means that will allow me to spawn it. I don't know, we'll see. Let's find out. Control S. GoFundMe. Oh, I'm. Yeah, that's a. That is possible. I could actually go fund it, right? No, I actually don't want to save this scene. I just want to save everything in here. This, apply this just in case. Let's hit play and see what happens. Why my fish disappear? Whoa, there he goes. Where's he going? Where is he going? You know, I have a Patreon page. I just haven't really done anything with it. Um, wow, what is going on here? He's booking though. Check him out. Oh, 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 he's going. He's going. It's a totally different fishing game now. Um, all right, let's see what's going on here. These loops, -1, restart, normal, Catmull on. Let's try not local. What does that do for us? All right. No, there's something about local that was giving it that action. So I think it's following the path. Is this my perspective making it look so oddball? I should make sure he doesn't roll. I wonder if that's a... Orientation, 2-path. Okay, yeah, that's looking at that. Look ahead. This should actually make him look like he's skidding around the corners a little bit. We're going a little side. He's drifting. He's gonna drift Q. Yeah, what up, son? Drift fish. All right, let's do this. Let's drop. We won't see the path. Now let's. Okay, let's go back to, yeah, Tokyo Drift Fishing. All right, let's change that look ahead back down. 0.01. No, don't save that. Let's actually save the, apply this to that. And apply it to that just in case. Open scene. Open. Let's just go to my scenes folder. Don't save it. Okay, I had the fish in as a just placing it and letting it go. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to spawn that fish. So let's do where's my spawn controller? When I get the message, spawn koi. Okay. Group spawn fish. Swipe time, input events, mouse, come on. Spawn koi. Okay, I've got it as a spacebar. Let's see what happens. Hey, Hey, buddy. Okay, we got a fish. He is not. What did we get? There's our clone. Let's see here. So close. Okay, so our fish is not following a path. Or is he? Oh, he deleted. It's great. It's good. Wait, nope, he didn't delete. Pew! Alright. I had 2 fish out there. Let's look at this clone. And let's get him to follow a path wherever he's spawning. Space. Fuck. Let's see. Open panel, close panel. That's good. That's good. Slicing. That's good. Good to go. Where else am I sending this message? Let's go look at our. Look at our fish. Oh. I don't see the do tween. Did it not get added? What in the hell? Alright, well, let's go fix this. Alright, Command Shift. Okay. Let's give him 20 seconds to get around the whole thing. No delay. Loops -1. Restart, update type normal for now. Path type catmo rom. That'll give us a slightly loopy thing. Path resolution. Is that going to change? No. We'll stay with 10. Close the path. Orientation to path. Path error options. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that should give us. Let's see, apply that. Let's delete this one and see if that comes in. Let's just test that I spawn the right. Hey, I'm going. Whoa, feedback. I must have put path points up in the air. But it's good that... Oh my god, it's fish craziness! Okay, it's good. It's good. Alright, now let's fix that path. You know, it only does this when I'm casting, so I have to assume, Keeb, that this is something to do with some mix of the broadcaster with Unity. So I can't blame Unity entirely, though I'd like to. This one I'm going to delete because I don't need it anymore. We've actually put the path on the object. Let's go back to alright, now let's make this so it's a little bit more in the whole pond. So this fish will never go to the center. He'll always be on the outside. And that's where he'll be. Let's apply that. Now let's go to the XY of these. Fish minus 0. Let's move these on. What are you doing? Okay. No, it's moving it on Y. God damn it. Here. Minus 35. 0. Oh, these look like real coordinates. No. Yep. Okay. Let's see if I can now get these to lock in. I'd hate to have to try this if I do it from the top view. Yeah, there we go. 0, let's look at our fish in relation to those. Okay, we're good. What's up, bro? Now, let's go back to our space bar. We're going to spawn our koi. Let's actually spawn controller. Okay, koi fish time, spawn point, owner. Add variable, list variable, game object list. All right, now we're going to expose this. Spawn points, make public. Let's save this. What I'm going to do now is actually put valid spawn points in for spawning this fish. What's this one? Spawn koi. Okay. Hey everybody! Hi, Dr. Nick! Alright. Exposed variables. Spawn points. Size, let's do 4 for now, and let's go pick ourselves some valid spawns. One, two. Where's this one at? It's going to be in the middle. So we'll probably want this one, 2, 3, maybe this one. Yep, that one, and this one. 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put them in order, just so I know. 5, 3. There we go. Let's save our scene. Okay, now we are going to, from this spawn list, add action variables, lists, game object list, access list. So we get this message. We're going to pick a random spawn point from this list. We're going to kick out a spawn point and use that spawn point to spawn our fish. So let's try a random fish spawn test. Okay. And that'll give us the ability to spawn fish whenever we want in the lake at a random point and have them follow paths. Now, I don't know. We'll have to see if the path thing works. Okay. So we got one already in there. He's our test fish. Oh, he's sitting too high. Okay. Yeah. Okay, they're getting teleported to... It's kind of awesome. Okay, clean up. Clean it up. The path looks like, so they're spawning, but the path is static, which is why I wanted to do it local. I can either put, so I think, Keeb, the idea of you blaming my computer issues on me, dude? Come on. It's cleaning up all my crap. So they're coming in. The path is coming in with them, or at least the path is in the world, and they're all getting put on a path that's not orienting to where the fish is spawned. What I can do is instead put the path in the world, find the closest path point, potentially, right? And start them at the closest path point. Let's see here. Let's see if I can look at speed base, look at loop type. I think this is why I wanted local, but I think what might be happening is if I do local movement, I think maybe the path points are too far. They're like in random places. Let's start this and see where this guy goes. No, he's good. You see how they're always starting here no matter where they spawn? There's a flash. Pause, unpause. You'll see them spawn at one of their other points and they'll flash to... See, they flash over. So it's like the... Okay. It's not necessarily going to work. Yes, Josh, you're on a path now. So I put them, I'm using DoTween, D-O-Tween. But what I'm going to do is pull this off of the... Let's copy this. Put this back on there. I think what we do is nope. Reflected properties. DoTween. I want to see if I can catch the WPS. Is that what that is? Let's look at this. Add manager, preset, custom, pooling system, on enable, on disable. Okay, we're going to ditch that. On spawn, we want to create these waypoints, I think. And I think what we want to do is see if there's an action for that. Okay. There's not. Let's go back to this, and I think resolution, perspective handling, blah blah blah, path. I think that's our waypoints. which is our path. I'm not sure how I'm going to get to the path nodes. Path nodes. Alright, let's try this. Start. Let's do this event. I think actually I might have problems with the event system too. Let's do this action in properties. Do tween path on start action. Let's see. Variable or a game object. Let's see if we get something with that. And then I think that's going to be it's a system. I wonder if I can look at it as a bool. No. All right. Let's see here. Cube, do you see any other parameters in here I can fiddle around with? Yep. So let's see. Path point 1 is out there. Ping, ping. Oh. Okay. Let's go with, I need to look into some do tween documentation here. I'll jump into that next week. What I may have to do is actually put a path in the world and then assign it at runtime. So, I wonder if I can. I may actually have to jump into C# next week, Keeb, and do this not off reflection. Oh, come on. Save this. So they're spawning on random spawns. They'll take the path, but the path is always world correct. So it's showing up at exact definitions of their points. It's not relative to where they spawn. So I think I need to figure out a different, slightly different solution. Right, because the way we were going to try and do it was that wherever the fish spawned, their path was relative to where they were. I don't know that that's going to work with this kind of a path piece. I may have to do something like grab this field of spawn points and use them as, and create the path at runtime, right? Based off of what I know about the field of points, right? Because, we'll do it this way so you can see them. Basically, I have a grid of spawn points underneath the world. Here, let's see here. Do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then I can use these as my A-star points. So what I might do is actually give the fish some pathfinding logic and just have them swim like, what shape is it that I want? I'll swim a circle. I was hoping for a really simple solution like we had, but looks like that's not going to be as easy as I thought it was going to be. Let's try, I will try something else. So punt on the fish for now, but let's do fish. Some notes for myself. While I'm looking at it, let's clean up some of this collision detection tagging. Let's see, where's my sonar? Yep, save it. Save it. Okay, what was I doing here? Grow time, sonar time. How is this working? I not know. What's going on here? Did I do it some other way? Interesting. I think I'm getting collision still, but I'm not getting right, there's our okay. My sonar is not growing with the thing, but let's do this. Go cylinder. Well, so keep the path. Every time they spawn in, the path is not coming in where according to where they spawn. So I'm going to have to research another pathfinding option for next week and kind of go for that. But let's see if our new do tween is going to work well for play auto kill, scale, duration. What's our total duration here? 0.2 seconds. Cylinder 0.3. Let's do that. 0. Ignore timescale ease. Let's just do linear. It grows and comes back. 2. Twice its size. And then okay, this on complete. We're going to add another one of these. Don't autoplay. Shit, hold on. Autoplay, auto kill. Forget on complete. 2. I think there might be a one loop, and that should bring us back. Okay, let's see what happens with our cylinder. I'm going to close this window so that that's not fiddling with us. Oh, piece of shoe. Okay, it grew to twice its size and then did not come back. And the Sonar Echo did not delete itself because that script is not set up here. Let's put in a it's fine. Apply that shit. Let's see, apply this one. Okay, loop. Two relative uniform scale. Sonar blip. Okay, this should. Yep, deleted itself. All right, now let's do. I think I messed it all up. All right, let's find this Sonar Echo again. Echo cylinder on spawn should automatically play and automatically kill itself. Let's do 0.5. It might be going too fast. Delay, no delay. Save. Apply that. Let's play again. Yeah, it's world space, so. Okay, let's do. Oh, it's gone so fast. Hey Josh, what's the hotkey for pause? It's gone. Huh. Okay. They're too fast. They're too fast. The other way that I can test this is how far away from the fish are they getting? It's pretty big. Okay, it's working. It's just getting too big. Let's go to Echo Cylinder. Duration 0.5, delay scale 2. Let's call it 1.5. Let's save that and call that done. All right, I'm going to call it further. Shift Command P. Got it. Let's try that. Thank you, Keep. Check you out, son. I still have the same issue of like creating a sonar and getting to here. There we go. Speed. I got speed. Let's go look at this. How big is our cylinder? Let's not maximize on play. Not too bad. Okay. Echo cylinder. Let's tune that just a little bit. Duration. No delay loops. 1.5. 1.7. Save this shit. Apply that. Play. Thank you for the Command Shift PQ. Keep. Where's my fish? Here, fishy. Oh, do I need to make another fish? Oh, no. Okay, this is on camera. Yeah. Yeah. Sonar Echo. Destroy timer. Let's make this more like 1 second. Apply that. Too long. Blech. Okay. Six. That's not right. Apply that equals cylinder to 1.7 duration. 6. Auto kill. Apply. Sonar, one last test. Let's look at it. It's not bad. It's about the right size. Okay. All right, I'm going to call it there, and then I will continue to work on the fish pathing, but at least we have a spawn event that puts the fish in, and he follows the path. We will turn his, we'll tune that a little bit next week, but I will see if maybe I'll find another method for that, because if we can't have them always start at the same point, right? And also looking at the fish train that ends up happening, we can't have them on exactly the same path every time. It's going to be a little crazy, right? And easy. So they're going to have to figure out a way. I'm going to have to figure out a way to get them to sort of swim a little more randomly. Oh, and they're hitting each other. Alright. Alright, guys. Later. Bye, bro. Bye. See you later.